So this is a new whip. Give her a rev. Give her a rev. What's the team called? What's the team called? This will be the intro.
What are we called?
Yeah.
Warp Speed Space Cadets.
Well, this is a rig. We just picked it up.
Yeah.
What is it? I don't even know what it is.
2003 Skyline 350 GT Nismo.
Oh, it's got the Nismo badge. An Asian sold it to us. Not being racist, but it's rice spec. Starlight roof. Can't actually see that. We've just bled the brakes, and we'll see how it goes. First seat. Oh, look at the roof! Look at the roof!
Oh, yeah!
It's bright! Look at the
Look
roof!
at the LEDs down here.
Oh, yo! That is sick!
The gearbox does feel good.
Oh, he's scraping! So, what are the race rules?
Well, we've entered in kind of like a shitbox race. It's called Lemon and Limes. It's an 8-hour endurance race at Highlands. And it's for like shit boxes. This is kind of a shit box, but it's kind of not. It's quite fast.
If we get it right, it's going to be quite fast.
Yeah. It's a fast shit box.
It's a fast shit box. Well, that's why we're in the lines, right?
Yeah, so it's Highlands Park. We got this car for $4,000, and we've got to put a roll cage in it and some other stuff all in a week, and then we can go racing.
Yeah, boys. Busy going. Holy fuck. It's still being the beautiful.
Guys, you think we're going to get a whole show off the start line?
That's just a wee second gear clutch box. Just not with max behind. Not with max behind me.
Oh, look at the smoke. Oh, she hooked up.
No, I got out of it.
Yes.
On the motor.
Must be the clutch there.
Must be the clutch.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can get the we gotta get the dash out. Dash.
What's the time? 8:30. We're 2 hours in from picking the car up. We've been for a test drive. Wheel bearing out because that thing's cooked. Where's the oil?
Oh, it's down there on the ground.
Interior is getting stripped. Oil's not looking the best, but it'll do. Max is on getting that other axle out, that other drive shaft. Axle, and then he can get that bearing out.
Our little ship box isn't going to turn that good.
It might have turned good.
But it is going to have at least a little bit of horsepower. Having some horsepower and brakes, we're going to be
coming in here hard as all money and coming kind of like across the start of the turn and then kind of wanting to turn early. I'm Jack Verstappen over here.
as fast as possible so you can get back to the fuel as quick as possible. So we're on the power from there.
Sideways. You don't know whether it understeers yet or not, though.
Turn it hard.
Yeah. Well,
It depends what tyres we put on the front. Whether we put these bald ones on or...
Oh, the good ones. Right, night one done. Interior stripped.
Well,
Need the dash out.
ish.
Stripped-ish. 2 wheel rings out. They need to be replaced. Boots out. Exhaust is off. Exhaust needs to be slightly fixed while she's off. And tomorrow, gearbox is out.
Absolutely.
See you tomorrow. Day 2. Cream buns for lunch. Dash is out. Cage has been started. Me and Luigi over here are going to pull the the old gearbox out, so let's get cracking. Back to the vlog.
Coming out.
Well, we hope. It is a bastard to remove. Holy hecker. Any tips, please leave them in the comments. Just removing the wheel bearing, but it's... Oh.
Angus, come on, catch these spikes for me, please. Yeah. Yeah. Get in there.
Right, we've jigged this up. Little front splitter, because we've got no under tray, so this will act as our guide. Cages, how's the cage going?
It's going.
It's getting in there.
Just imagine that fucking...
Look at that, hey! We're on time attack with that front
Yeah, that
splitter.
looks time attack, eh?
We're going to Pikes Peak.
Yeah. Back her up. Sign us up. Now we can go Cadrona, we just put some big tyres on it. So we just had to stop by. What do we got there?
Here you go, mate.
Look at that. Couple Eros. We'll chuck them on and see how they look, eh? Look at them.
Carbon fibre.
Fucking hell. Oh, Mitchie's back. Woo. He's back. We've got Brembos of a Merc, Mercedes-Benz, bit of cross branding. Cage is fully built. Boss kit is installed. Jackson is modifying his sprint car suspension. So he just cut the bottom of the original shock off. And wow. Mate, I thought we were doing a fun race, eh? Not a $50,000 build in a week.
Well, it's got shocks that are worth 4 times the car value.
Yeah.
One in the pink, 2 in the stink.
So what's one of them shocks worth?
They're basically like $2,000 each.
$2,000. So we got, what's that? Quick maths, $8,000 of shockies out of this thing, which it only turns left.
They'll be valved. They'll be valved for
They'll be valved here in this special. Whoa! 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 And we need extra front valving for the big splitter.
Yeah. Well, no, because now we can put on like we're putting on an actual coil spring.
Yeah, exactly.
Like our own spring.
So we're gonna need a
Look at that.
tuned engine now.
Fucking glove.
I hope everybody is enjoying the vlog so far. It's probably pretty tedious shit. New hubs as well, they're in. We need a new axle because it had been crashed and they've stripped the axle nut when that's hit the... I'm going to do this. Gearbox, clutch. Clutch is new. Brand new clutch. Okay, and we've got to put this in. The spigot bearing. In there. It sits in there. And that is what your drive shaft for the gearbox goes into the gearbox pretty much. So we've got to take that out of there. And Jackson has told me to pack it full of bread, get something that fits the spigot bearing like a glove, and whack it, and it should come out. So I'm going to try that, and we're going to see if that's a myth or not. Right, I've packed some bread in. Now let's give it a whack. What?
It's fucking working. I told you it would work. It just needed a bit of fucking manpower.
Go on.
Just packed a bit more bread in there, you see.
Fuck off.
Yeah, look. It's just here. get you some of that.
No way.
What? I should have 2 bolts.
Oh my god. Come together.
Big right. It's not even. Oh, we got handbrake light, airbag light. Slip. No VDC off.
Oil. That'll
Well,
come off
yeah,
when
because
we
we
start.
haven't started.
It's got airbag.
I can.
You guys tighten the plenum.
Needs to be above.
Yeah, and that's gonna get a
Mitchell.
vacuum leak.
Go on. Get it ripped.
Angus still tightening her up.
Is it gonna rip? That's the question.
I can't wait to hear it with no fucking downpipes on it. Straight through. If it starts.
Straight
Yeah.
ahead.
Okay, well, it seems like it wants to crank.
Where's the...
It'd be real good if we could crank it without any ignition for a little bit, because we've just changed the oil.
Right, first start. See how this goes. We just primed it.
Smells bad.
Let it rip.
So close.
Oh, it'll be them sensors on the cats.
Oh yeah, if they had no cat sense, O2 sensors, would it do that?
Have you got the front ones in though?
Yeah. Okay. Math sensor may have been round the wrong way. We got the downpipes on with the sensors plugged in. Hit it. Stand back. Take this. Take this, Will. Front splitter done. I had to cut a bit off there. Just mould it a bit better, but she's fully adjustable now, so pretty sick. See how it goes. Damn son, we got some rubber, baby. Check these things out. Right, here we are. Last evening on the old girl. Just done the splitter, done the tow hook, got a grill in now. Wacko Jacko's just putting the big Brembos on. What do you got to do? What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm finally finishing this brake ordeal. It's almost been as long as you and that bloody front splitter.
Oh.
But they're done.
Alright, is it? We got Max back, building the cage, back on the tools. Right, this is all I'm showing until the big grand reveal. What do you reckon? Woo!
Yo, tengo Calderón, Don Omar, los bandoleros. Aunque digan que soy.
Return line's cold. Your return line's cold. That's hot. Feel that. That's cold.
So it's blocked.
Have it, yeah. It's got an airlock somewhere.
I'm so surprised that's not fun.
Watch it.
Don't touch it, eh?
Oh, I'll pop it open.
Pop it open.
That's the best thing to do, isn't it?
It's funny because this one feels like it's quite high pressure.
It's definitely got an airlock. I can feel it.
Do you know
It's
why?
cold.
It'll have an airlock?
Why?
Because of fucking around with that line up the top.
Yeah, well, how else do we do that?
I don't know. I wonder if there's a block.
Is it loud?
It's loud inside because it's like it's just 10. It's just. It's a freaking race car though.
Yeah?
It stops on a dime. It just slid out the seat. And it's stiff. I think it might be flying a bit high in the front. We might need to drop it a little.
Right, we test this tow tow strap out. I fabbed up, eh? We reckon it's out of gas and it's still got a water leak, so we tow it to the gas station down the road. Get it done. It sounds like a race car. Fuck.
Fucking hell.
Oh, we made it, boys.
We're here.
7 days, almost to the hour after we picked the car up.
6 days and 23 hours straight in there.
Oh, what a rig. The spoiler, no. Oh, my first time seeing that. Look at that. Oh. Dude, thing is loose. I don't know. Competition's looking pretty stiff. These things apparently the daddy, so the Sangyongs.
Look at the Brimbos up
Oh
front.
my god. Look at them. What's this? Quick fill.
Oh, they're just the body on.
Oh,
they're
my
just
word.
the full tube.
Are they double quick fills?
Oh. That's just a race car
Yeah.
with a truck body.
Yeah, right. No wonder they clean up. And they're on Michelin's.
Oh, what?
Yeah. They're like $2,000
I
tyres.
thought we weren't allowed. I would have got us some Mitsubi's.
Track walk. Looking pretty sick. First chicane. Pretty daunting, eh, boys?
It's going to be a show.
Game over.
It's years since you've been there, and now you've disappeared somewhere. I got a space, you found some better place, and I miss you like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, yeah.
Is that not my one I tried on?
No, your one's here. You've got the big dad one.
It's on that lady.
No, it's my one. It's the Kiwi NHRO one.
It's NASCAR spec, this one.
Gee, you wouldn't say? Oh, no. No, he's Alpine.
On Alpine, baby.
Just needs to come off.
What are you? Spark it.
Right, small problem, team. We got no window wipers in the car. It's about to rain.
It's race day, and we've got 2 severe weather warnings down here in Cromwell. Our window wipers don't work. Our lights don't work.
Nothing's working.
Oh, fuck. Oh, wouldn't be race cars without problems, would it? I don't think I've mentioned it, but this race is a fancy dress race. So we've got these comb overs that don't really stay as comb over. Comb it over? Comb it over?
Where is it? Oh, there.
I don't know, you should know. There you go, Mitchie's got it. There you go. Wacko Jacko is, hey, you look like Doc Martin. No, Doc, what's his name? Doc from Back to the Future.
Yeah, look, if we hit 88 and this thing sparks up, we are going back to the future.
Oh, mate. Rude.
It's tulips.
Yes.
Now the last one, this is the clincher. Did Yuki make it through to the top 16? Will he go through to SQ2? Yes or no? Very, very important.
Did he make it into SQ2?
Did he make it into SQ2?
No.
Yuki.
It's negative for him. Yes or no? So hands up. No?
No.
Yes. No? Okay. That's 3. That's good.
Oh! 3 for 3.
No, Dawson's. Wow, he's really good. So he finished 12th. And he had to be in the top 16.
Yeah.
He finished 12th, but like a really strong performance.
So these are questions, and answer yes or no. If you get them wrong, you get extra laps. So we've smashed 3 for 3.
13 laps, boys.
Pretty happy on
Just got
that.
13 laps. Thanks, mate. So I need to check mine.
No, we did yours. We said that's our whole team.
Great. Now it's raining. Fuck, boys. Clean that windscreen. Clean that windscreen. Oh, yes.
Invite everybody to come and have a go. As long as you're safe, as long as everybody's having fun, that is the key. So one thing that we do
Who's the fastest lap time? You're the wrong person. You need to see 8 hours racing, not a 2-minute 01 or whatever time you're allowed to do here. The fastest person in your team needs to boot up the backside. We're here to get all cars across the checkered flag at the end of
Kick off in 3 minutes. Jackson, driver number 1. Myself, second driver. Angus, third driver. We reckon we're going for, we'll do about 45 minutes before we drive a swap. Round about there, depending on how it goes. Pretty nervous, to be honest. Pretty nervous. I hope everybody else is feeling the same, but we've got pretty serious competition. We've all got headphones on. We just got walkie-talkies. So good luck, Jackson. Hope you're ready. Be smooth, be fast, enjoy it.
10-4 rubber ducky. 10-4.
Any words to say to the vlog before you head out?
Up the puck.
Get somebody!
That's over. It's a couple of bolts. You need to take it off, right?
Right, so we're on the grid. I'm not really sure how the starting order works. Do you know how the starting order works?
No, I think it just goes off like this, I think.
I think we just go off. What do we got behind us? We got a Subi. We're a bit smoky here. And we've got a big V8, a couple of V8s in front of us. Got that thing there. This thing's pretty rude. Look at the brakes on it.
I'm pretty fucking nervous,
You nervous?
My glasses are fogging up.
Dude, I'm actually shitting myself.
I'm not shitting myself about the racing, I'm shitting myself about the car last week. Busy. Download Speed Hive and you can look at where we are.
I can radio you that.
Ah!
How do you want updates?
Huh?
Do you want some updates or?
Maybe.
We're not going to talk about lap times or anything the whole time, I don't reckon.
We leave that till the end.
Yeah.
Should we pull that zip tie off or?
No, it's on the key.
Yeah, but we need to use indicators sometimes.
What for?
Passing.
What's that in, Jack? What's the front?
Right, start her up.
Is that?
They've all started.
It's not on.
Right, good luck. Have fun. They've been planning the whole year. We've been planning a week.
I can't believe
We've done this in a week. 1 week, 7 days. Race car build.
inside.
You can smell it on the grandstand.
What's
Well,
happened?
She's just blowing up.
Fuck off.
You guys run a spare motor or?
Wait, what about that motor's just scraping in the fucking...
Fuck. Where is he?
He's out there trying to fix it. He's out of the car.
No. We're not even half an hour in.
Why am I not surprised at all?
And your phone too, which is weird. Fuck. No way.
He's pushing it. Oh my god. Now we're going to test them toe straps.
That's not your car that's broken down when he comes in.
Yeah.
Excellent. When he comes in, the driver needs to go and see Phil over in the...
Because he got out of the car, didn't he?
What the fuck was he thinking? He's about
as soon as I got out of the car, I was like, yep, don't go.
He drives race cars as well.
To the penalty box, and then I'll get Phil to go to the penalty box and see him.
Yeah.
Phil, I have the team here.
Yeah, no, as soon as I saw it, I was like, don't get out of the fucking car.
So now it's up to you guys to think of a suitable penalty.
20 push-ups.
20! Fuck. 20! Fuck. 20!
Fuck off, way more.
You see you love it.
Way more.
Actually, no, fuck it, I'm literally fucking up.
He can change.
Burpees in the suit?
Nah, just vessels all night.
Well, it's blowing up, so can you drink?
Oh my god. Week's work done for 40 burpees. 40 burpees in the suit. And the helmet. Yeah. We're at 40 burpees in the suit and helmet. Straight out. Grundy run!
Threw legs and tried to run.
Hope we get a box of beer for this.
Fuck. It's steaming.
Yeah, because it ran a bearing coming down into the hairpin, and by the time I made it round, it went harrr.
No. And you got out of the car.
Why were you not meant to?
Mate, we're in big trouble.
What? Oh no, I had to get the fire extinguisher. I thought it was on fire.
We're in trouble, bro.
Yeah,
Thank
why'd
you.
you say it was on fire? You don't see me get out with the fire extinguisher.
I don't know.
Straight right, boys.
Mate.
Hey, unlucky.
Leaving quick out there, eh?
40 minutes deep.
It was scary driving.
Yeah?
Really scary.
Oh, well, we got an engine swap inbound this afternoon.
Are you going to find a VQ?
Imagine. Imagine. Pull her in forwards. At least we got some tyres. Pop that hood. What do we got under here? Lift that. Any holes? Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh. Do you guys need any more drivers?
That is a problem.
Jack, you gotta go, mate.
You've got meetings.
They said the judges said take them in there and they want them in there.
Can I film it?
Oh, of course you can. You gonna put it on your OnlyFans?
It might be worth. It might be worth something after what he has to do.
It was on fire.
It was on fire, so you lifted the... Hey, come back here, sunshine.
So you thought it was on fire, which is okay. You're
Yeah.
out of the car, but then you lift the bonnet,
Yeah.
and then you try and push it back to the pits.
Oh, I didn't have my thing in my ear,
Don't
sorry.
matter, mate. Don't matter if your thing's in your ear or it's up your ass. No pushing the fucking car back to the pits. All right?
Okay. I just didn't know whether anybody.
No, go now. Go now. Bye bye.
Where am I going?
This is going to be so convenient.
We just had all this driving.
7 days, 7 laps, 7 minutes, everything's done.
Yep.
Oh! Perfect. There she is. Fully loaded. Sad faces only. Rightio guys, that's our 24-hour race car build. Not 24-hour. 7-day race car build. Completed. 7 days to build. 7 laps completed. And what would you say, 7 grand spent? By the time the engine's in?
Only 7. A lot more. Nah, like 14.
Nah.
Yeah.
Not after the next engine's in. 14 grand.
Yeah, we're up to 12 already.
Oh shit. Well, double the 7 then. 7 times 7. 7 plus 7. So thanks for watching. That is a great video done and dusted. Like, share and subscribe. And I hope we've given you motivation to build a race car in 7 days.
Or not.
Or spend
Or maybe check the motor.
your money on something else.